Hi everyone, in front of me I've got AGM H6 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security. Here let's go to face and fingerprint unlock, and of course enter your screen lock to confirm. Then tap on fingerprint and tap on more, and I agree. So here we've got the information what we have to do. So we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the right side of our device, and it is basically located on the power button. As you can see, after tapping on it, your device will proceed to the next step. So now all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, and tap on done. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. So now let's lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.